Tired of seeing those pesky income not entered warnings in Rocket Money? Frustrated that your budget is off because the app doesn't know how much money actually comes into your accounts each month? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, but luckily, it's easily fixed. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your monthly income to Rocket Money so you can get a more accurate and insightful view of your finances. Transition to the core concept. Rocket Money is a fantastic tool for tracking your spending, finding hidden fees, and even canceling unwanted subscriptions. However, its budgeting features rely heavily on accurate income data. Without knowing how much money you earn each month, Rocket Money can't provide a complete picture of your financial health. Accurate income data is crucial for creating a realistic budget. By knowing your actual income, you can create a budget that aligns with your financial reality. This helps you avoid overspending and ensures you're saving enough for your goals. Tracking your net worth. Rocket Money helps you track your net worth over time. Accurate income data is essential for calculating your net worth accurately. Identifying areas for improvement. By comparing your income to your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back or increase your income to improve your financial situation. Making informed financial decisions. Accurate income data provides a foundation for making informed financial decisions, such as whether you can afford a larger purchase, invest more money, or pay down debt faster. Now, let's dive into how to add your monthly income to Rocket Money. Log into your Rocket Money account. Open the Rocket Money app on your phone or log into your account on their website. Navigate to the Budget tab. In the main menu, click or tap on the Budget tab. Access Income Settings. Look for the Income section within the Budget tab. You might need to click on a specific button or expand a section to reveal the income settings. Add income sources. Identify your income sources. List all your income sources, such as your primary job, side hustles, rental income, and any other sources of income. Enter income amounts. For each income source, enter the amount you typically receive each month. You can enter a fixed amount or set up a range. Set the income frequency. Specify how often you receive each income source. For example, monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. Review and save. Review all the income sources and amounts you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. Tips for accurate income entry. Be realistic. Enter your actual net income after taxes and deductions. Consider bonuses and other variable income. If you receive bonuses, commissions, or other forms of variable income, consider how to incorporate them into your budget. You might want to create a separate category for these types of income or adjust your monthly income estimate based on historical averages. Update your income regularly. If your income changes due to a raise, a new job, or other factors, update your income information in Rocket Money accordingly. Troubleshooting common issues. Income not reflecting in budget. Double-check that you've entered your income correctly and that your income sources are linked to the correct accounts in Rocket Money. Budget still inaccurate. If your budget is still inaccurate after adding your income, review your expense tracking to ensure you're accurately categorizing and recording all your expenses. Additional tips to improve budget accuracy. Link all your bank accounts. Linking all your bank accounts to Rocket Money ensures that the app has a complete picture of your spending. Categorize your expenses. Accurately categorizing your expenses helps Rocket Money provide more accurate budget breakdowns and spending insights. Utilize budgeting rules. Rocket Money allows you to create custom budgeting rules to automate certain aspects of your budget. For example, you can set up automatic transfers to savings or create recurring budget allocations for specific categories. Benefits of accurate income entry in Rocket Money. Improve budget accuracy. By accurately entering your income, you'll get a more realistic and accurate view of your financial situation. Enhanced financial insights. Rocket Money can provide more insightful data and reports, helping you identify areas for improvement and make more informed financial decisions. Reduced financial stress. A well-managed budget can help reduce financial stress and anxiety. Increased financial confidence. By understanding your income and expenses, you can feel more confident in your financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, adding your monthly income to Rocket Money is a crucial step in maximizing the app's effectiveness. By accurately entering your income and utilizing Rocket Money's budgeting features, you can gain a deeper understanding of your finances, create a realistic budget, and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.